Hello, welcome to Heartbeat Trading System. Today we'll show the strategy play around the U.S. presidential inauguration day from the January the 19th of 2021 to January the 20th of 2021. And let's see how different strategies play, and see how can the robot in this system beat the market or not. Let's analyze from the 19th, January the 19th. From this day, started the system at over 9:30 there, and let these different robots start this time. So during this time, let's see. During this time, actually, I see a trend here. The trend is clear see according to the traditional trend lines. You can see very clearly there is a trend of zigzagging down because it opens in the early market higher and it is going down there. So based on traditional trend line, immediately to two trend lines indicating it's going down. The market is going down. According if it's following a trend. Ironically, you see that right after I drew the trend lines, the market goes straight up. It's just then almost went to the roof. That's on the 19th. The let's see, based on that. Let's see how the robots, based on different strategies, actually work, and see how well it play with the compared with long hold in the market. So let's take a look from the let's look at the whole day from the basically. Let's move it closer here. So basically from 10:30 here and up to the whole end of the day there, the you can see consistently that the strategies actually, the S24, A24, this robot almost doubles the long hold. That means if you long hold from here, like a buy from this point, and then long hold, sell at this point, you will get like 3.27% return. But A24, S24 returned actually over 6%. Of course, STC will explain that. Later, this simple strategy, why it's basically not working so well, and it's actually lagging the market. So let's say that's the 19th. Let's see the day on the inauguration day. The market. The QQQ broke the record, and so as the TQQQ. TQQ from the early market open from 190, and then it's a close at the extended hour close at 200 basically. So during this time period, the long hold returned almost 6%. And the S24 returned 5.3%, and A24 returned 7.29%. So it's still the S24 and the A24 outperforms the long hold, even though in the one-way market. And the S24, it did not take these fluctuations, only by, let's see, on the right of the hill. Actually, it's quite out of ordinary that it's not a play, it's just a fair with a long hold. But A24 returned a better. It is because this, even though it's a one-way market, if you get closer to detail on the inauguration day, the reason is that the S24 will actually start trading in when the market gets lower. So it's not trading on the right hill, and from there it's getting down, and so the S24 only trade when the other peak is higher than that. So it does not do any loss. In the long run, it's actually in a larger time window. The S24 is safer, and but A24 is actually good for this kind of market, that when it's getting down, the captures to exit early and then buy at more dips. That's why it returns much better. So that's for the 1 day. For the 2 day period, let's see how much. For the 2 day period, even though it skipped the gap, which is the closing market open and close, there's a jump gap here, but still the A24 and S24 returned much better than the long hold. So based on the real play among this 2 days market, the strategy, the BBS returns almost the same. Amazing is the Bollinger Band strategy returns almost the same as a long hold, and A24 and S24 returns much actually higher than long hold. So that is the trading capture of January the 19th and January the 20th, the President inauguration day. So that's the end for today.